The last one here is rotations. We're going to go ahead and use a triangle for this one just for the fun of it. So we're going to click select shape, add shape. And I'm going to use, I don't want to use an equilateral triangle for this. I think it would be more beneficial if we had a triangle that was easier to see that it's been moved around and changed. And so then we're going to add our transformation here. We're going to move counterclockwise about the center. That's one of the most common rotations you'll see is counterclockwise about the center. And we are going to we're going to start with 90 degrees counterclockwise around the center. So notice that the point for B was -2, -4, and now it's +4, -2, right? And then if we go another 90 degrees, which is 180, now it's at 2, 4, right? It went from -2, -4 to 2, 4. And then we go another 90 degrees, which makes it 270. And now we're at the point -4, +2. So 90 degrees moves it a whole quadrant each time. All right, so now let's see what happens when we move it about a point that's not the center. So let's move it about the point -2, no, let's go -3, -3, -2. There we go. So this is now the center of our rotation. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to move it around in 90-degree increments just to get an idea of what it looks like as it's turning or rotating. And we're going to stick with that counterclockwise because most of the time that's what you're going to be using is counterclockwise. So here we go. We've moved 90 degrees around the center, right? So notice that B was at -2, -4, right? So it's 1 to the right and 2 down from the center. And now it's at the point -1, -1, which is still, if you turn your head to the side, 1 to the right and 2 down from the center of rotation, right? So these distances are still staying the same as we rotate around whatever part it is, whatever center is, right? This distance from here to here is the same as the distance from here to here. That all stays the same, no matter how far around in a circle we rotate. Okay. If you have the ability or whatever, the opportunity to kind of play around with some rotating, I really, really suggest it. It will help you a lot in the upcoming lessons.